In this video, I'll guide you through how to pause and resume sequences in HubSpot. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign or organizing outreach, knowing how to pause and resume your sequences can be a real game changer. This feature allows you to take a break when needed and then pick up right where you left off without missing a beat. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the automation section in your HubSpot account. Once you're there, look for the sequence option. This is where all your sequences are managed and organized. It's a central hub for ensuring your workflow runs smoothly. Being familiar with this area will make the task much easier and more intuitive. Next, click on the Manage tab. This tab is essential because it gives you an overview of all your active sequences and allows you to make any necessary adjustments. It's like the control center for all your automated processes, offering a bird's eye view of everything you've got running. Now, if you look to the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the Actions button. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. To pause all your sequences, simply select the Pause All option. This action will put a temporary hold on all your automated sequences, allowing you to pause your operations without having to disrupt or delete any existing workflows. This feature is particularly useful if you need to make changes, take a break, or manage your workload more effectively. When you're ready to get things rolling again, the process is just as straightforward. Return to the same place where you paused your sequences. This means navigating back to the automation section, selecting sequences, and clicking on the Manage tab. Once again, find the Actions button in the top right corner. This time, when you click on it, select Resume All. HubSpot will seamlessly pick up exactly where it left off. It's important to note that HubSpot calculates any delays from the moment you resume. So if there were any time-sensitive elements in your sequences, they'll be adjusted accordingly, ensuring you stay on track with your scheduling and objectives. And there you have it. Pausing and resuming sequences in HubSpot is a simple yet powerful tool that can enhance your productivity and campaign management. By taking advantage of this feature, you can gain better control over your automated processes and ensure that everything runs according to your plan and timeline. Remember, the ability to pause and resume gives you flexibility, making your marketing efforts more adaptable and responsive to your needs. I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and easy to understand. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting.